Guys, in this video we will see how to install Apple Maps on your Windows 11 and 10 system. You can easily use or install Apple Maps on your Windows system. To do so, open Microsoft Edge browser. In Microsoft Edge browser, in the search field, look for beta.maps.apple.com. beta.maps.apple.com. Press enter. It will open beta Apple Maps on your system. Here click on three horizontal dot against top right corner, and here hover the cursor on apps and choose install this site as an app. Install this site as an app. A new pop-up window will appear. This site can be installed as an application. It will open in its own window and safely integrate with Windows features. Click on install and let the window complete the installation process. It will install and you will have option to choose allow this app to pin the taskbar, pin to start, create desktop shortcut, auto start on device login. Choose any one of them as per your choice. I will choose create desktop shortcut and click on allow. Now a desktop shortcut of Apple Maps app will created on your desktop. Minimize the windows and you can see Apple Maps directions, guides and traffic app will successfully installed on your system. That's all.